Hello, Odooers. Welcome back to our channel, Devintelle. Today we will see how to print leave request report of employee in PDF format. You can see here our module Dev Leave Request Report. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. Go to this app, go to management and go to time off. Now select here employee, go to print menu and see here this leave request report. Now click on and you can see here leave request of employee. I selected total 2 for Anita and admin. So printed here too. Thank you.